Hi, I'm Chong Fan. I'm the CTO and co-founder of Silver Factory. So we are here to apply the frontiers of nanotechnology to solve real-life issues. We design, develop, and produce high-quality nanoparticles for various industries. The reason we are called Silver Factory is because our flagship product is actually the plasmonic silver nanocubes. So these nanocubes have very different properties from the conventional and commonly used silver nanospheres in the industry. Experts and scientists have shared that the next big thing is really small. And nanotechnology is going to change businesses. For example, using plasmonic nanoparticles can enhance the solar cell efficiency by up to 25%. So this is one of the various interesting properties that nanoparticles can bring to new materials development. Materials at the nanoscale behave very differently from the bulk materials. So one of which is the plasmonic sensing effect, where this allows us to create rapid point-of-care platform for disease diagnosis. Another property would be the antimicrobial properties. This allows us to create wound healing platforms. Lastly, nanoparticles can also be used for lateral flow kits, which is commonly known as the COVID ART test kit or the pregnancy test. I am naturally very keen to learn entrepreneurship, so I used to have a couple of small businesses in teaching and art. But then I never had a full exposure to a startup company. We started pitching to NTUitive, and NTUitive actually encouraged us to participate in the Launchpad program and eventually incorporate the company. They also help us with a lot of sharing and guidance and also connections, introduction to various investors in the industries. And this is when we got in touch with our first seed investors and we brought the company to the next level. At Silver Factory, not everyone is a scientist. In fact, we have a very dynamic team of different individuals with different backgrounds. So we have a nanoparticle expert, we have people that are very experienced in corporate leadership, quality management, logistics and supply chain. So all of these are the puzzles that form a big picture and can help to drive the company forward. COVID-19 actually gave our company an opportunity to pivot temporarily to produce a COVID-19 product, which is the TracieX Breathalyzer. So this is a COVID-19 breathalyzer that allows detection of COVID-19 using a single breath, and the detection time is below 2 minutes. So this offers an alternative and faster method for COVID-19 testing as compared to ART, which takes 15 minutes, or PCR, which takes a couple of hours to a couple of days. So we design and develop the technology using our existing nanoparticles and also mass produce the product. And we actually perform 100,000 tests to support Changi Airport roster routine testing during the peak period in 2021. We envisioned ourselves to be the first nanoparticle development and production house in Singapore. At the same time, we also believe that innovation must come together with education. This is why we are very keen to create new nanotechnology content to be taught in schools and universities.